All right, guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at the last 2 days of trading. All right, I'm going to show you how to nail the exact low 3 different times. Okay, for 500 fucking points spread across 2 days without using any indicators at all. So let's do this. All right, what's up, guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading. Hope you had another fantastic trading week. There were definitely some fireworks here in the market on all instruments, Forex, futures, stocks, options. And of course, I think you guys know this, the big news this week was the Trump impeachment process, right? Unless you've been living under a rock, you know that Trump is facing some kind of problem here with some kind of calls he made to Ukraine or whatever. And the political news, which normally moves markets pretty heavily, kicked in earlier this week, right, where the United States Congress launched an impeachment inquiry. And what I want to talk to you guys about is the effect of news-based events on the market, right? And so if I jump back to the charts here, all right, this is the Dow Futures. Let's just go ahead and put that up here. Dow Futures. Let's just make sure we label this. Okay, so the news article came out sometime in the evening on the 24th of September, right? And you can see this is the price action from the very next day, the full 24-hour session for futures trading, which is the 25th of September. And what jumps out at you, right? There was no fucking impact at all in the market, right? And in fact, this was a giant fucking update. This was an up 200-point day. Literally the day after a major, what most people would interpret to be negative, political news event is announced. Right? So guys, what does that mean? Right? Where am I going with this? Well, where I'm going with this is, you guys have heard me say this before. Okay? Don't act like you're smarter than the market. Right? There were so many fucking morons who tried to short the market in the overnight session thinking that the 25th of September was going to be a massive fucking down day. And guess what happened? The market did the exact opposite of what everybody thought it was going to do. Right? So the lesson that you guys need to pay attention to here, all right, is trade what the market gives you, not what you wish the market gives you, right? If we take a look at these signals here, let me just reorganize this here, all right? If we take a look at these signals here, all right, this long signal, and this long signal, just 3 fucking signals spread across 2 days. I guess if you want, we could take a look at this one too, right? Fine. 4 signals spread across 2 days. Well, guess what? As a professional trader, you do what you're supposed to do. Which is what? When you identify a signal, you draw your high, draw your low, draw your high, draw your low, draw your high, draw your low, and draw your high, draw your low. Okay? And then what do? Well, then you wait for the retracement. Right? Guys, this is trend trading at its finest. Okay? And what I've learned about talking to so many of you new traders out there, or traders that have even been doing this for a long time, generally speaking, traders that are still struggling, all right? The reason that I think a lot of you guys struggle is because you try to act smarter than the market, okay? So without you interpreting this as me being offensive or rude, just try to dumb it down a little, all right? Guys, we're not doing anything complicated here. This is nothing I'm showing you here in this chart is complicated. We're not doing brain surgery. We're not going to law school. This is simply green bars and red bars. What do these bars mean? Well, these bars mean that there is the potential start of a massive uptrend like this or a massive downtrend like this. All right? That's all the bars mean. This ability to forecast a trend before it starts is the most valuable piece of information any trader can have at their disposal. I think you know that by now, right? For those of you that are still fussing around with crap like this, these bullshit candlestick charts, these indicator charts, these nonsense charts, okay, I think you can understand that there's an obvious difference between these crappy charts and professional trading charts, right? For the exact reason that I just mentioned a few seconds ago, which is that very specific ability to forecast a trend before it starts. What do these retracement zones mean? Guys, these retracement zones mean nothing more than jumping in on the trend before it starts, right? Think of a train leaving the station. That train is going to leave the station with or without you, okay? So you can either jump on that train and punch your ticket to the winning trade, or you can just keep fighting it, like these people are doing, okay? As this market is trending for a huge fucking gain, okay? So anyway, guys, what's the takeaway here, all right? The takeaway is that regardless of what happens in the news, regardless of what happens in politics, okay, don't ever think that you're smarter than the market, okay? The market's not stupid, right? But the market's also going to give you clues like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 easy to spot, obvious clues in the market on what to do and how to trade. Okay? Without using any indicators at all. This is the power and the effectiveness of a trend-based strategy where you put very minimal work in and the rewards are fucking huge, right? There's always going to be a certain segment of the trading population that will never figure it out, right? I hate to say that. I'm not trying to be disrespectful or rude to anybody who trades candlestick charts, but listen, let's just be honest. You're never going to figure it out trading indicators and candlesticks, okay? There's always going to be losers who trade stuff like this, and there's always going to be winners who trade stuff like this. This is the difference between pro trading and retail trading. Okay? Pro trading, trend trading, a disciplined approach to your trading is going to make the difference. Guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on the next trade.